Hello everyone! I'm happy to introduce you to my new script, MF Postal-Service for RedM VORP Roleplay service. This script allows your player an immersive system sending letters, telegrams and parcels to other players. This script includes different kinds of mailboxes like private mailboxes and mailboxes for companies. It works together with my other script MF Citizens. But note, it's not a dependency, but it enables more features like illegal private mailboxes. The script is highly configurable. You are able to set it up to your own needs. So let me show you. At first, players need to create a mailbox. If MF Citizens is enabled, you need an ID card to create mailboxes. If you have more than one ID card, you can choose which one you will use for the creation. This way your players are able to create illegal mailboxes. If your player is a boss of a company, he can create one more mailbox. They can set up an own name as they want and choose which rank their co-workers need to get to access to the mailbox. You can set up a Discord webhook for every created mailbox. You can edit the access rank. Choose if the postbox is listed in a public illicit address book. And you also can delete this mailbox. Private mailboxes you are able to list in public address book too. And you are able to delete this postbox. Again, you can set up a Discord webhook if a postbox is deleted. Also, you can disable the public address book for private or for business mailbox in the config. If somebody will delete the mailbox, he gets a modal. This will say, the mailbox and all message will be deleted. This cannot be restored. And you need to confirm this with OK. And now, this mailbox is deleted. Now, let us send letters, telegrams and parcels. Pick the kind you want to send. Type in the recipient. You can also choose the recipient by using your private address book. Type in a subject. And then send the letter. The price you can set up in the config. You can also set up a time gap between sending and receiving. Not just for letters, you can also do it for letters, telegrams and packages. Telegram messages need to be shorter, but they work the same way. The price for sending is calculated based on the word count and punctuation marks cost extra. As you see, the punctuation will be counted extra here. So, my opinion behind this is that the people write telegrams as they was in 1899, like this, to save money. And so, also, they send the telegram. If you want to send a parcel, you need an empty package, open it, do in the things you want to send. You can also send items with metadata, they won't lose it. So, just to show, we use this pass photo. Here you can see it. Now you need to add the package. Now you're done. You can send packages by cash on delivery. If you choose, you need to type in the price that the recipient has to pay to get this package. And just send. So, now we're gonna watch the inbox. If you open the post office, you just see which message with the mailbox have any messages in the inbox by the green here and the number after your name. And here in the message overview you can see the letter. You can directly reply to it, and you can also print it and you can delete it. If you print it, you get an item. You can open it and you see there is your letter. Same for the telegram. Here you can see your telegram, and you can also directly reply it or print it. And here you see. If you print messages or letters, here you also see the name of it directly in these cases. And now let's get our package. Open it and click on Claim Package. Here you see the cash on delivery amount of $10. If you claim it, the mode will open and it says pay $10 and claim the package. Pay and claim. After you do this, the money will moved out of your pocket and you get the package into your inventory. You can open it and here you see the items you get. If you pull out the last item of the package, your inventory will close and the empty package will be deleted. So if you send another one, you need a new empty package. So, and just see the metadata of the item is stored. Yeah, let's now move on to the context. In the public context here, you see the mailboxes who are listed. You can save them to your personal address book or directly send to them. In the message overview, you will see send message and inbox. You can use the filter options or the search. Maybe you want only show letters, so you can see the letters but not the telegrams. And you can also want only your received letters, so the checkbox inbox, and so you just will see them here. Private contacts. If you want to create, so you need to type in the recipient post number and the name of the person like for Valentine, and the character is Marmalada. So you can optionally write, give a little note and yeah, type it. In your private contacts, you can also use the filter options, like you want to see only business mailboxes or private mailboxes. So it's your choice. If you press here, it's already pre-filled, but you can change it the way you want. And then you can see it in your private address book. Next, I will show you the way you get the $10 back. Yeah. Remind we sent with cash on delivery and need to pay $10 to get our package. So I will show you. We went to our inbox. So, and now I have here a pickup confirmation from the parcels, the nails from you. So I open, and here I can click on cash out amount, and I get the money. If I open this again and will click this again, it doesn't work. Yeah, so players cannot get the money on more times. They just by claim package, it just works one time. So there are no duplicates or item duping. So the next part, you can set up in the config that every different kind like letters, telegrams or packages are not received at any stations or not able to send from any stations. Yeah, only the station you registered. You can also disable this function. You don't need it if you don't want it. So if you're open, and I set up that only telegrams are usable. So you're open your mailbox and you already see it. Cannot be sent at the station. Packages cannot be sent at the station. So you only can send telegrams. You cannot see any in your inbox like this. Now, as I said, you can also disable this function. And if you go on send, you just can choose telegrams. Packages and letters won't work. You can also set up that you will receive telegrams at any station. You can set up like you want it. I forgot to say, for packages there is an option like a blacklist. You can choose which items you put into the packages and how many items you can put into the packages. Yeah, that was the main functions of this Telegram script.